Well, good morning. Let's try dealing with some ratio tables and see what we can come up with. Let's say, let's say there's a pizza shop down the street and they keep track of in hours how many pizzas are sold. Okay? And if I told you that in 5 hours they could sell 40 pizzas, question, how many pizzas will they sell in 10 hours? Oh, that's an easy one. Okay, you're right. I started you out pretty easy. 5 times 2 is 10. So 40 times 2 is 80. They'd sell 80 pizzas. But remember yesterday, we looked this direction. Horizontal, we looked here. How do you get from 5 to 40? Times by 8. Okay, what's 10 times 8? 80. Okay, so when you're looking at a ratio table and later a double line diagram, you want to look for relationships this way if you can, and sometimes this way. So I would call these vertical relationships, horizontal relationships. Any that you can find will probably help you. So let's say 2 hours. How many pizzas do they sell? Oh gosh, Miss D. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. That's not 2. That's too hard. But look at this one. Don't do your vertical relationship if they don't work easily together. Do a horizontal. Let's just times by 8. 2 times 8, 16. Okay, here comes a curveball. What if they sold 48 pizzas? How many hours did it take? Oh, here we're timesing, right? We go this way and we multiply by 8. What if our blank is over here? I can't multiply that by 8. That's silly talk. Yes, but because your arrow changed direction, change your multiplication to division, boom, then you would get it. Okay? All right, let's try this. Let's try out some stuff here. Let's see. We got these 3 girls, okay? Let's say their names are Michaela, Maria, and Jenna. And these girls like to text. And they're kind of nerdy, so they wanted to know how fast each other texted. So they timed each other and then counted. Michaela, minutes, words, minutes, words, minutes, words. I'm going to make some horizontal ones here. Okay. Do you find sound effects help you work? I find it helps me work. Michaela said in 3 minutes, I can type 150 words. In 5 minutes, I can do 250. In 7, I can do 350. And in 9 minutes, seriously, are you people texting each other for 9 minutes? Because that just seems crazy. But we'll go with it. She could text 450 words in 9 minutes. I don't even know that I have that many things to say ever. Let's see what Maria could do. Maria says, okay, well, in 3 minutes, I could type 120 words. And in 6 minutes, I could type 240 words. And in 9 minutes, I could type 360 words. And in 12 minutes, seriously, 12 minutes of texting for reals, 480 words. Okay. Jenna says, well, here's my numbers. In 2 minutes, I can type 90 words. And in 4 minutes, my thumbs can push out 180 words. And in 6, 270. And in 8, 360. So I want to know who's the slowest, who's the fastest, and who's in the middle. That's what we're going to try to figure out. How do we do it? Honestly, there's a lot of ways. Here's one way, probably the most straightforward way, but not the easiest way. You could find the value of each ratio. You could say in 1 minute, How fast does each girl type? Get out my trusty calculator here. Okay, so to get from, well, let's just do 9. From 9 to 1, divide by 9. Okay, let's do 450, divide 9. Oh gosh, I put in the wrong numbers. That means in 1 minute, Michaela can type 50 words. Okay, Maria, 12. How do I get from 12 to 1? Divide by 12, divide by 12. 480 divided by 12 is 40. All right, and then Jenna, oh gosh, I put that in the wrong spot, sorry. To get from 8 to 1, divide by 8. So 360 divide 8 is 45. So this is a great way to compare because now they share. And I like to say, in order to compare, they must share. So in this case, we said they share minutes. In 1 minute, she can do 50 words. In 1 minute, 40 words. In 1 minute, 45 words. So who is the fastest? Who can type the most words in 1 minute? That's right, Michaela. Who's the slowest? Who's typing the least amount? Oh, Maria. Right, at 40. And then in the middle, Jenna. Let me show you another way. I'll get out my purple pen and show you another way. This way, you're doing less math, but you got to think a little so you understand what's going on. Look for any numbers they have in common. Oh, 6 and 6 or 9 and 9. I'm going to go with 6 and 6 because this one has a 3. Here's why. If in 6 minutes she can do 240 and in 6 minutes she can do 270, clearly Jenna is faster than Maria. But let's figure out where Michaela comes in. And I'm going to look at this one. I need this to get to 6. So I'm just going to write it right here. 6, because then we'll have all the same number of minutes, and in order to compare, they must share. Okay, how do we get from 3 to 6? Times by 2. 150 times 2, 300. Who has the most minutes? Michaela, she's the fastest. Yes, we said that. Who has the least minutes? Words. Maria. Oh, we said that too, and that puts Jenna in the middle. So 2 different ways. You're really looking for relationships. Okay? That should get you pretty close to being able to do your work. If you have some questions, be sure to ask me. Good luck.